Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are keeping fine in this pandemic situation. চারিদিকে সিচুয়েশনস যা খারাপ, ডেফিনেটলি প্লিজ টেক কেয়ার অফ yourself, নিজের পরিবারের খেয়াল রাখো, বাইরে যেও না আর বারবার স্যানিটাইজ করো, এইটুকুনি বলার। So students, see, I know that you all are preparing for your competitive exams, and this is the best time for you to prepare since we are not going outside, and we might have a little bit of extra time to spend in our house. So talking about WBCS exam. In this video, we will discuss about the WBCS exam. Now, what is WBCS exam? Actually, WBCS exam is only applicable to West Bengal. নামটা শুনেই বুঝতে পারছো WB, that means West Bengal Civil Service exam. Now this video will be all about the discussion of the general English paper or the English descriptive paper that we usually have for the WBCS exam. Okay. বললাম WBCS এর ফুল ফর্ম কি? ওয়েস্ট বেঙ্গল সিভিল সার্ভিস। ওয়েস্ট বেঙ্গল সিভিল সার্ভিস এক্সাম। নাও এই পরীক্ষাটার বিষয় বলি, there are three parts of this exam. First, prelims কিংবা preliminary, তারপরে আসে মেন্স, and the third part is our personality interview or personality test, এটাকে বলা হয়। এইবার actually এটার অনেক কটা সাবজেক্ট আছে। This is not only limited to like other subjects or other exams like banking and all. এটার মধ্যে varied একটা subject and topic list আছে। So before we discuss about the general paper, I'm just going to discuss about the structure of WBCS that we have. First, for this preliminary exam, there will be two paper compulsorily. One is the language paper of 200 marks and 3 hours. You will have 5 items here. And the second is the English descriptive paper, which is also 200 marks and 3 hours. লিখে নিই একটু। এটা হচ্ছে ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ, 200 marks and time পাবে 3 hours. For English also, English is descriptive paper. You will also have 200 marks and 3 hours here. এটাতে for language you will have 5 items. Basically for language you can choose your option. You can choose your mother tongue. That is, there are options like Bengali, Santhali, and so many options. Usually I have seen maximum people are choosing Bengali for the state of West Bengal, that is WBCS exam. There are other options also, but usually Bengali, Santhali, these are the common ones. Now this paper, language paper, will be in the language that you have taken. For example, if you have chosen Bengali as your language paper, you will get the question paper in Bengali language only. For English descriptive, you will get the paper with the name only, you can understand. You will get the paper in English language. You will not get the paper in any other language. English descriptive paper English language এই পাবে। হয়ে গেল। এরপরে আসছে the third or the important one, that is the optional paper. Optional paper 1 and optional paper 2. Now see, optional paper 1 and 2. For optional paper 1, you have to give 200 marks exam, 3 hours. For optional paper 2 also, 200 marks exam, 3 hours. মানে 200 marks 3 hours plus 200 marks 3 hours. This is the total that you will get for the optional paper. Now this optional paper is only for the candidates who wish to appear for group A and B, not for the candidates who are wishing to appear for group C and D. ঠিক আছে? If you wish to take a screenshot, you can definitely do that. Next, preliminary ব্যাপারটা হয়ে গেল. Now we will come to the discussion of mains. Mains এক্সামটা অনেক বড়. Now preliminary এক্সামে আমাদের খালি পাস করতে হয়. We only have to pass. Before mains exam we have to score as much as possible. যতটা আমাদের সিকিউর করে রাখা যায়. This is the thing of mains exam. তো mains এক্সামটায় আমরা কি দেখি usually? We have paper 4 history and geography. Now এই paper 4টাও সেম থাকে 200 marks 3 hours. 200 marks 3 hours. Usually যখন আমি বলছি 200 marks তার মানে you can have a rough division of 100 marks for history and 100 marks for geography. This is the fourth paper that you will have. This is the third paper that you will have. Now, first paper ta I already told you is language, second paper ta hoche English, third paper ta hoche history geography. Ebar we will discuss about the fourth paper. Fourth paper is science, technology, current affairs, EVS, statistics, static GK. এই সব কিছু মিলিয়ে থাকবে হচ্ছে তোমার fourth paper. That is paper 4. কি কি থাকবে? Static GK, science and technology, current affairs, static GK থাকবে, science and technology, current affairs, environmental কিংবা EVS যেটা তোমরা বলো, all these things will come under paper 4. Now there is no particular division as to 10 marks from static GK or 10 marks from science and technology. Now the overall paper will again be for 200 marks and 3 hours paper. Next হচ্ছে paper 5. Paper 5 টা আমাদের কনস্টিটিউশনের উপর, that is constitution and economy. Next আসবো paper 6 এ. Paper 6 টা আমাদের লাস্ট পেপার, সেটা হচ্ছে arithmetic and GI. So these are the 4 papers that we will have to give for our mains exam. That means what is the total marks for our mains? 200, 200, 200, 200. So 2, 4, 6, 8. 800 marks এর total mains exam আমরা দেব. So the total mains exam will be of 800 marks. So please take a screenshot. Now, coming to the positive and negative marking, there is negative marking but not for each question. That is, negative marks will be given 1/3. Negative is 1/3. That means with every 3 questions you are doing wrong, you will deduct a marks of 1. That means 3টে কোয়েশ্চেনের আনসার ভুল করলে তোমার 1 মার্কস কাটা যাবে. So this is the actual negative marking scheme. Now we will discuss about the personality test round. First, if you clear the prelims, then you will appear for the mains. If you clear the mains, then you will appear for the personality test. Now, personality test 4টে ক্যাটাগরিতে হয়. Group A, Group B, Group C, Group D. For Group A, 200 marks a personality test will be done. For Group B, also 200 marks a personality test. For Group C, 150 marks, and for Group D will be 100 marks. Let me write it down. Personality test. For Group A, it will be 200 marks. Group B, 200 marks. Group C, 150 marks. Group D, 100 marks. So here you will understand the various total amount or the total marks will differ for all the groups. Group A alada, B alada, C alada, D alada. Usually why? Because the third paper that I told you, that is optional paper 1 and 2. Only you have to give that if you are appearing for Group A and B, not for C and D. So in that case also your optional papers will vary if you are giving or not. And for the interview marks also your marks will vary. Okay. So this is the personality text marks that you have. Please take a screenshot. Now coming to what are the syllabus that you usually have for English in WBCS exam. You have letter, you have report, you have translation, you have précis, you have dialogue writing, composition writing, antonyms, synonym, prepositions. All these are covered in the WBCS English descriptive paper. We will discuss about this. Now, coming to letter. Letter, if I say you be very particular about writing a letter, because there is a proper format. Usually we have already been doing this in class 9 or 10, 11, 12. আমরা এগুলো letter writing টা করেই এসেছি. So that is actually quite easy for us. নতুন জিনিস না এটা, arithmetic কিংবা GI এর মতন নতুন কিছু শিখতে হচ্ছে না আমাদের. Usually letterটা is the same format that we are following. If you have forgotten this, then you can do, there are so many books available in the market, you can definitely refer that. Or if you have any siblings in your house who are studying in 9 to 12, 9, 10, 11, 12, you can refer their books also. So mainly the language will be yours while writing the letter, and the format you have to keep in mind, because we already know that the format of the letter carries marks. Next, coming to report. It is the same thing with report. Report also carries marks with format. Definitely the language will be your own. You have to write on your own. Definitely I will advise you one thing, that we have actually noticed that people who use a lot of hi-fi words, that is definitely fine. That is very much acceptable. But what is more important is you stay focused on your grammatical errors. Like it is more advisable you do not make grammatical errors rather than using flourishing and impressing words. আমরা এটাই লক্ষ্য করেছি যে যারা ফ্লারিশিং ওয়ার্ডস দেয় কিন্তু গ্রামাটিক্যাল এরর করে, তাদের মার্কসটা কিন্তু অনেকটা ডিটোরিয়েট করে, রাদার দ্যান দ্য ওয়ান্স হু আর ইউজিং সিম্পল ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ, সাদা মাটা ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ ইউজ করছে বাট তাদের গ্রামাটিক্যাল এরর হচ্ছে না। Those candidates get a better marks or অনেকটা ওদের লাভ হয় in getting a seat or in scoring good marks for WBCS. Now coming to translation. Translation ব্যাপারটা জানো, you have to translate it. Next, প্রেসি। প্রেসিটা কি হয়, you have a paragraph, একটা বিশাল বড় প্যারাগ্রাফ দিয়ে দিল, সেখান থেকে আমাদের সামারিটা লিখতে হয়। সামারিটা কিভাবে লিখবো, you will read the entire প্রেসি and then we will summarize it, but try not to give your own words, মানে নিজের কোনো পয়েন্ট দিও না, ওয়ার্ডস দিতে পারো যেটা আমি বলতে চাই, but don't give your own points. It's just a summary that you're writing, বাংলা যেটাকে সারাংশ বলে। And the usual method is যতটা length you will have for your comprehension, you will have to make 1/3 of its length. মানে প্রেসিটা ফর এক্সাম্পল ধরো 600 ওয়ার্ডসের একটা কম্প্রিহেনশন দিল, তাহলে তোমার প্রেসিটা হবে 1/3 এর, ঠিক আছে, 600 এর 1/3 হবে তোমার প্রেসিটা। নেক্সট আসে ডায়লগ রাইটিং দেয়, কম্পোজিশন দেয়, চারটে টপিকের মধ্যে একটা টপিকের কম্পোজিশন you will have to choose and you have to write. This can be on anything, this can be on the current scenario, environmental issue, anything related to politics, anything that can happen. So this is about composition. Next, coming to the grammatical part, you usually have various things. Let me wipe it off. Coming to the grammatical part, as I told you, there are prepositions, antonyms, conjunctions, and words that we usually use, phrasal verbs. So I will give you few basic examples, not the entire thing I will be able to cover, but একটু basic examples আমি দিচ্ছি যেটা we usually tend to make mistakes. First is one phrase, put up with. What is the meaning of put up with? I have put up with him means I have tolerated him. ঠিক আছে, many people think put up with মানে put up কিছু করেছে, আমি কিছু তুলে রেখেছি, or I have set aside something. No, put up with মানে হচ্ছে tolerate করা। Another one more confusion arises, put up with এর সাথে keep up with. See, put up with means tolerated, but keep up with means progression. I am keeping up with the syllabus covered in my school. That means progress. যা progress স্কুলে হচ্ছে তার সাথে আমি at par যাওয়ার চেষ্টা করছি, that is keep up with. Now there is a lot of tendency to make mistakes with put up with and keep up with. Please be sure that put up with and keep up with both are different things. Put up with মানে হচ্ছে tolerated আর keep up with মানে progressing, মানে আমরা আগে আগে এগোচ্ছি সেটা। নেক্সট আরেকটা বলি, propose. We usually tend to say I proposed him, I proposed her, the boyfriend proposed the girlfriend. This is very wrong. The word is not correctly used here. What we are supposed to use here is propose to. আমরা propose to করি, কাউকে propose করি, just propose করি না। So the correct one will be propose to. Propose to কিংবা propose to. The boy proposed to the girl. It will not be the boy proposed the girl. Yes, I know that we usually use this, the boy proposed the girl, but this is a common mistake or a generally used mistake that we make. It should be proposed to. The boy proposed to the girl. Another mistake I will point out here is out of town. I am currently out of town. Out of town টা আমাদের ইউজ করা উচিত, বাট ইনস্টেড অফ দ্যাট আমরা মোস্টলি ইউজ করে ফেলি out of station, which is wrong. Out of town টা correct, out of station টা ভুল। Definitely grammar এ আমরা most of the times out of station use করি। While talking, while using fluent English, it is okay, that might be acceptable. But while being grammatically perfect, we cannot say that out of station is the correct phrase. What we will use here is out of town. I am currently out of town for some business purposes. So out of town মানে আমি শহর থেকে বাইরে গেছি, that can be the proper use. Next, আরেকটা বলি repetition of unnecessary words, like I wake up at 7 a.m. in the morning. Let me write down. I wake up at 7 a.m. in the morning. Now see here, this is so much unnecessary. I can say I wake up at 7 a.m. এই অবধি যদি আমি বলি this is perfect. Or else I can say I wake up in the morning. এটাও বলতে পারি। But I cannot say the two things together. I wake up at 7 a.m. in the morning. Are 7 a.m. itself is in the morning. Then why will I repeat, making it double sense? There is no requirement of giving double sense to the sentence. So I will write I wake up at 7 a.m. in the morning. One more example we usually write is I will not repeat twice. I will not repeat. Repeat meaning the second time or third time. তাই twice এর প্রশ্নটা আসছে কোথা থেকে? I will not repeat twice. We usually try to write this kind of sentence, but this is wrong as I told you. I will not repeat. এই পর্যন্তই হওয়া উচিত। Why? Because repeat itself is meaning the second or the third time and again and again. So if you are repeating, then why is this word twice added here? This is unnecessary. So we will just cut it off. I will not repeat. This is the exact sentence that will make a proper sense. Next, one more example is taking an exam. We never say taking an exam, but this phrase should be take an exam rather than give an exam. আমরা সব সময় বলি আমরা পরীক্ষা দিয়ে এলাম, বাংলা কথা তাই বলি পরীক্ষা দিয়ে এলাম। তো সেটা থেকে ইংলিশ করতে গেলে I have given an exam, I gave an exam, but this is not correct. পরীক্ষা we do not give, we take an exam, we do not give an exam, তাই না? পরীক্ষাটা তো আমরা বসছি, we are appearing for the exam, so the paper is prepared for us and we will take the exam, write the paper and come out of the exam hall. So the correct sentence is I am taking an exam. It is not I am giving an exam. Okay? So the correct is I am taking an exam. আরেকটা জিনিস বলি, consist of. Consist of itself means comprise. That means the meaning of comprise is consist of. So it is very unnecessary or it is wrong to use comprise of. We will never write comprise of is wrong. Okay, comprise of is in meaning tai hocche consist of. We can write the chocolate consists of cocoa powder and sugar. Or we can even write in a separate way. The chocolate consists of cocoa powder and sugar bolla. We will write the chocolate comprises cocoa powder and sugar. But we will never write the chocolate comprises of cocoa powder and sugar. This is not right, because comprise ki bolla, comprise meaning tai hocche consist of. So of to double lekha jay na, jodi if we write this, then it will be consist, comprise ta jodi boli tale consist of er mane ta, then again of. So do you think this will be correct? Comprise এর মানেটা হচ্ছে consist of, তারপরে যদি of use করে double of হয়ে যাচ্ছে, so definitely this is wrong, so we will use only comprise. Now another thing is in spite of and despite, এটারও same ব্যাপার থাকে. Another thing that I usually find out is no sooner. Whenever you are using no sooner than use করবো. একটা example দি, no sooner did I hear the bell, comma, then I ran out of the class. ঠিক আছে, তো no sooner এর সাথে আমি did use করলাম. No sooner did I hear the bell, present tense use করলাম, hear the bell, comma, very important thing is comma, then I ran out of the classroom. Then use করলাম, ran use করলাম মানে past tense use করলাম. No sooner did I hear the bell, comma, then I ran out of the classroom. তো এই টাইপের সেন্টেন্সগুলো it will actually, this English তো একটা language, this cannot be obtained in a span of around 1 month or 1 day. এইভাবে তো শেখা যায় না, definitely it will require time. So what I will advise you is practice more and more of it. The more we practice this English, the more perfect we will become. WBCS এর English is not very very hard, ঠিক আছে, অন্য কোনো এক্সামের মতন খুব হার্ড না, but it is not very easy also. You cannot be overconfident with this that we can crack it anytime. Sometimes they give such confusing words that it is very difficult to identify that which is correct and which is wrong. That really becomes very difficult even for English experts, and we are the just learners, so definitely আমাদের তো confusion হবেই. But what we can do is আমাদের হাতে একটাই উপায় আছে, we can just make a chart for ourselves, or we can identify that which are the portions we have problem in, and we will work out in it in the same velocity. কারণ আমাদের বুঝতে হবে that we are weak in these areas. Maybe I am not good in idioms, I have to work on that. Maybe I'm not good at prepositions, I have to work on that. Maybe I'm not good in writing or expressing myself, then I have to write letter, compositions, report, like this. But definitely I will suggest দুটো মিলিয়ে মিশিয়ে করো. For example, write a letter, then do some grammar, or the next day write a report and then do some grammar. So in this way what will happen, your entire English syllabus will be covered, and you will not have problem in facing the WBCS exam. Definitely WBCS exam is one of the highest rated exams in India. This is a very esteemed occupation, and people respect this definitely. And since you can understand this is so high rated and esteemed one, it will never be so easy to crack. So definitely your hard work will pay for it. Hard work না করলে কিন্তু WBCS crack করা যাবে না. And hard work বলতে I mean practice and practice. As I always say, practice makes a man perfect. And practice করলে কোনো ক্ষতি নেই, it will be more and more of our learning. আমরা যত better হব, আমরা practice করতে করতে better হব. হুট করে one fine morning I got up from the bed and I will be an expert in English. That is not going to happen. You know that very well, even I know that very well. So what we have to do is better সারা বছর পড়ি আমরা, rather than sitting with the book just before the exam, or one month before the exam. That becomes very difficult, because English, as I always say, English is a language. If you have to be an expert in English, or if you want to acquire the language of English, you cannot do this in 1 day or 1 month. You have to do it over a period of time. So start from today. these are all the topics that I have covered. There are many more mistakes that we usually make, not only you, even I make. There are so many people who are using wrong English every day, and we are used to hearing that. We are not able to identify that. So what we have to do is, we have to, as I told you, practice more and more of it, and then only we can become a perfect English speaker or a perfect person writing English. So that's what I will like to say. And there are many books available in market for WBCS English descriptive paper. You can go through it, but the more you require is writing skills. You practice your English writing, that is composition. Pressy is a very good art, you know. It has to be summarized. Eta bolna, your entire comprehension has to be shortened. You cannot cut or mark points from there. You have to cover the entire Pressy, but within a short space or limited number of words. One more thing is, while you are writing Pressy, there is word limit given, or for letter and report also there are word limits given. So you have to follow the word limit. Be very strict about following the word limit. Maybe if it is said 150 words, you can increase it to 155 or decrease it to 145, but you can never make it to 200. That will be very much unfair with the paper. So I would just like to say, just follow these points and carry on with your preparations. WBCS, it is a very good exam that you can crack. So all the best for exam. Keep practicing, and I hope you will like my video. I have given a lot of good points, so please follow them. Definitely they will be of some help to you, I'm sure. And all the best for your future. Have a great career ahead. And for this pandemic situation, I will say, just stay home, stay safe, and take care of everyone, including you. Don't ignore yourself, and just stay happy, stay, uh, stay safe. That's all. Thank you.